Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video, we are going to discuss solution of a linear equation. What is a solution of a linear equation? You consider the example 2x equal to 6. This is a linear equation in one variables. What is the value of here of x which satisfies this equation? If we give x equal to 1, this will become 2 into 1. It is not equal to 6. If we give x equal to 2, 2 into 2, it is also not equal to 6. But if we give x equal to 3, it is becoming 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So, x equal to 3 is a solution of the equation 2x equal to 6. Can you find any other solution for this equation? We cannot find any other value for this x satisfying this equation. X equal to 3 is the unique solution. So, a linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Unique solution means only one solution. Now let us discuss solution of linear equation in two variables. How many solution for a linear equation in two variables? Consider the example. 2x plus 3y equal to 12. What is the value of x and y satisfying this equation? Let us try. So let us give x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 in this equation. So we get 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So we got, if we give x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 in this equation is true. So what is the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables? It is the pair of values. One value is for x and other value is for y, satisfying the equation. Now let us check this x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is the only solution of this equation or not. Now you consider x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. If we give x equal to 0 and y equal to 4 in this equation, we get 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4. So, x equal to 0 and y equal to 4 is also another solution. X equal to 3, y equal to 2 is a solution. X equal to 0, y equal to 4 is another solution. So, only two solutions. Let us check once again. Consider x equal to 6 and y equal to 0. 2 into 6 plus 3 into 0, that is also equal to 12. So, we got another solution for the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So, we can conclude that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. A linear equation in one variable has unique solution. A linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Next, let us discuss one question. Find four different solutions of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6. We know a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. We need to find out four different solutions. Let us find out it. So, to find the solution of the linear equation, first we need to give any value for one of the variables. Any value we can give. I am just giving here x equal to 0. So, if we give x equal to 0 in this equation, let us see what will happen. It is becoming 0 plus 2y equal to 6. That is 2y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 2, that is y equal to 3. So, we got one pair of solutions x equal to 0 and y equal to 3. This is one solution. Let us write it in the ordered pair. We have written it in the ordered pair or like coordinates, x coordinate first, y coordinate second, 0, 3. So one solution we got. Now let us give three more values for one of the variables and find out the value of other variable. Now let us try y equal to 0. So if we give y equal to 0 in this equation, we get x plus 2 into 0 equal to 6. That is x plus 0 equal to 6. We got x equal to 6. So if we give y equal to 0, we got x equal to 6. So we can write it in the ordered pair like this, xy equal to 6, 0. The value of x should be first, value of y is second. Now let us try another value. Now let us give x equal to 2 in this equation. We get 2 plus 2y equal to 6. 2y equal to 6 minus 2. That is 2y equal to 4. Y equal to 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. So we got xy equal to 2. Let us give x equal to 4. In this equation we get 4 plus 2y equal to 6. 2y equal to 6 minus 4. 2y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 divided by 2, that is y equal to 1. So we got the value of x is 4 and y is 1. So one more solution, we got xy equal to 4, 1. So we got 4 solutions. The first solution is 0, 3. Second solution is 6, 0. Third solution is 2, 2. Fourth solution is 4, 1. Okay, any values you can give for either x or y and find out the next value of the other variable. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.